Thank you. West Milwaukee Municipal Court.
Yes, I want to make sure that I can hear and
So that you can watch it.
yeah, I want to see it because one of the options I was given was that it could be reviewed and it could be reviewed by the judge within. I have 20 days to make this decision, but I'd like to see it. I'd like to see the trial before I decide whether to choose that option or not. I don't want to just blindly consider it. I see I have 3 options for appeals after a verdict, after a trial, and the first option is interesting. I want to see the transcript.
As soon as we get caught up, the transcript will be sent to you.
Okay, did you get my email?
Regarding
the I sent an email yesterday after the trial for
they're requesting you wanted a copy of the trial hearing, right?
Yes. I'm interested in that. Within the time frame, unless if I can get an extension.
No, you can't get an extension. Our judge doesn't have the authority by statute, by law.
Yeah, then I'll need. Then I'm requesting the transcript as soon as possible. Can you say if I can get that Can you say if I can get it within the 20 days?
You should be able to, yes.
Okay, so then you have my address. I put that in the email.
Yes.
And
yes, you did.
All right. This is a rush type of thing. I'll call tomorrow and ask you what your status is then on that. How's that? We'll just take it day by day.
Sure.
Okay, because
not a problem.
Today you're just getting things in order. I'll just call tomorrow to see where you're at. So.
Sure, sounds good.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
You bet. Bye.
Bye.
Please listen closely to the following options. For information on obtaining marriage licenses or passports, press 1 to be connected with the county clerk. For information on obtaining birth certificates, death certificates, or real estate information, press 2 to be connected with the Register of Deeds.
Oh my God.
For the Child Support Customer Service Office, press 3.
What?
For the Family Court Commissioner's Office, press 4. For information about a City of Milwaukee municipal court case, press 5. For Milwaukee County criminal and traffic inquiries, press 6.
Maybe
For
that.
Milwaukee County civil and small claims inquiries, press.
I just got to remember that it's 6. I'm going to type that in.
Clerk of Court, how can I help you?
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. I'm appealing a judgment from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and I'm requesting a new trial with a jury. I need help filing. Whoops. Just a second. Let's see. I need help filing a petition for a waiver of fees because I can't afford the appeal and jury fees. Could you please tell me the steps to submit this petition with your office?
What type of case is this?
It's a case out of West Milwaukee Municipal Court.
Okay, you're in the wrong department. 1 second.
Okay, wait, I typed 6.
Milwaukee Municipal Court.
Hi, my name is Travis Hines. I am appealing a judgment from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and I'm requesting a new trial with a jury. I need help filing a petition for a waiver of fees because I can't afford the appeal and jury fees. Can you please tell me the steps to submit this petition with your office?
That goes to, you have to go downtown to the circuit court. If you're asking for a petition on the circuit court fees, you have to go to the circuit court.
Who am I speaking with?
Richard.
Richard. Fonz?
Yes.
I didn't call you. Why am I being directed to you?
I don't know who you called.
I called I called the Milwaukee County Clerk of Circuit Court.
I have no idea, sir.
They direct me. They direct me to you.
Anyhow.
I'll just okay. So if they want to direct me to you again, what can I tell them? Because that's a mistake. I'll tell them.
Right, tell them they might have misunderstood you when you said the waiver of all fees. The forfeitures the judge waived at this time to non-payment. You don't have to pay the fees, the forfeiture fees, to get into the circuit court. But to go to get the circuit court fees waived on everything else, you have to go through the circuit court, and they talk to you or listen to you or hear you. I don't know, because it keeps changing all the time. But you go and they will give you, if you pass it, in other words, if they agree with you that you don't have to pay it, they give you a slip of paper along with a copy that you bring to our office.
I don't listen. Honestly, I don't really need your guidance. They're supposed to be guiding me. You have nothing to do with it. All I have to do with you guys at this point is just submit that paper, check 1, 2, or 3, and
right.
I don't expect you to tell me, unless, are you reading off of something, or is this just off of your knowledge?
Not reading off of anything.
I need, okay, because because they're just going to repeat the same thing and maybe even different information. I just need to let them know not to send me to you. So I told them the wrong thing, and it was something to do with payments. I should not be talking about payments with them, you're saying, right?
No, I'm just saying that. I'm not saying anything. I'm just trying to answer your questions.
Yeah, and my question is, how can I avoid being transferred back to you? I don't want that to happen.
You'll have to tell whoever picks up the phone at the circuit court. You'll have to talk to them and tell them, don't transfer me.
Just okay. That's what I'll do. I'll just start out. I'll say, I already talked to Richard Fonz. This is what I'm telling you. Don't transfer me. Okay.
Right. But you want the fees waived, the circuit court fees waived.
Yeah. I'm gonna.
Am I correct?
I'll talk.
Fine. Yeah, that's who you call then. You call the circuit court.
I'll talk to them about it, but I'll make. What's that?
Sure.
Go on.
No, that's good. That's fine.
And I'll start out telling them not to transfer me to the West Milwaukee municipal court. Don't transfer me to that. Okay. All right then. Yeah, I'll just do that. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. Before we continue, please note I've already spoken with Richard Fonz, the court manager for the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and he stated he can't help me with this specific issue. I'm appealing a judgment from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and I'm requesting a new trial with a jury. I need assistance filing a petition for waiver of fees because I can't afford the appeal and jury fees. Before we proceed, may I ask who I'm speaking with?
This is Ashley.
Ashley? Okay, thank you, Ashley. Could you please help me understand the exact steps and the forms I need to submit, as well as the deadlines involved, so I don't miss my appeal deadline?
I'm trying to. Do you have a case number involved?
For the West Milwaukee, the one does exist, but that's through the municipal court system.
And you said you're trying to file a appeal?
Yes. Oh, okay. All right. I'm appealing a judgment from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and I'm requesting a new trial with a jury. I need assistance filing a petition for waiver of fees because I can't afford the appeal and jury fees.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me see who can help you, sir, because it would not be me.
All right.
Let me place you on a brief hold.
Place me on a what?
A hold.
Oh,
On Milwaukee County Clerk of Circuit Court.
I already
Please listen closely to the
I already know it's number 6. Let's start over.
Criminal Traffic Division, how can I help you?
Hi, my name is Travis Hines. Before we continue, please note I've already spoken with Richard Fonz, the court manager for the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and he stated he can't help me with this specific issue. I am appealing a judgment from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and I'm requesting a new trial with a jury. I need assistance filing a petition for waiver of fees because I can't afford the appeal and jury fees. Before we proceed, may I ask who I'm speaking with?
Allison?
Allison, okay, I spoke to an Ashley before, I think. Thank you, Allison. Could you please help me understand the exact steps and the forms I need to submit, as well as the deadlines involved so I don't miss my appeal again?
Yeah, you said you were trying to file an appeal? Is that what you were trying to do?
I'm appealing a judgment from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and I'm requesting a new trial with a jury. I need assistance filing a petition for waiver of fees because I can't afford the appeal and jury fees. Before we go on.
One moment. So you're saying it's a municipal case?
Am I speaking with...
No, this is not.
Who am I...
It's not municipal. This is the county.
Okay, who am I speaking with?
That's not important.
Oh, you're...
What's important is that you're talking to the wrong number.
Okay, before...
This is the Milwaukee County.
Please note, I've already spoken with Richard Fonz, the court manager for the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and he stated he can't help me with this specific issue. I'm appealing a judgment...
Okay, so, you said that you talked to West Milwaukee. You can talk to the City of Milwaukee Municipal, but we have nothing to do with municipal. We are the county.
Okay, they're not a city, they're village. I've already spoken with Richard Fonz, the court manager for the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and he stated he can't help me with this specific issue.
Okay, but that is not our jurisdiction. This is the county of Milwaukee. So I'm going to transfer you to the City of Milwaukee.
I'm calling Milwaukee County Clerk of Circuit Court. Is this the Milwaukee County Clerk of Circuit Court?
Yes, but that is not our jurisdiction.
Okay, who do you want to direct me to? Your name is not important.
To the City of Milwaukee. To the City of Milwaukee.
Okay, that's... I was arrested in the Village of West Milwaukee, not the City of Milwaukee. So I'm in the jurisdiction of the West Milwaukee Municipal Court, not the Milwaukee Municipal Court. And then on appeals, you contact Milwaukee County Clerk of Circuit Court. I also emailed
What was the last name?
Hines. I also sent an email. Oh, Hines, H-E.
What's the first name?
Travis. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to be, I'm not going to be in the system.
So then there's nothing I can do for you if you're not in the system.
This is going to be transferred to the Milwaukee County Circuit Court. So,
No, it's going to be transferred to the city of Milwaukee.
Okay, so name that's not important is saying that my case for appealing transfers from West Milwaukee to the city of Milwaukee upon appeal.
Because this is not West Milwaukee. This is the...
Okay, I've already spoken with Richard Fonz, the court manager for the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and he stated he can't help me with this specific issue.
What kind of case was it?
It's a municipal. It's an arrest for resisting arrest and or obstruction and loitering.
So when you went to jail, MPD arrested you, correct?
The West Milwaukee police arrested me.
Department. Okay, and this is the sheriff's department, which is why I told you I'm going to transfer you to municipal.
Okay, I've already spoken
Don't
with.
deal with MPD.
Do you know who?
Yes, you've spoken to West Milwaukee, but I'm going to send you to Milwaukee Municipal. They can be able to help you. We don't deal with MPD. We only deal with the sheriff.
What,
okay?
What is MPD?
Milwaukee Police Department.
Okay, this is West Milwaukee. They're in a different jurisdiction of West Milwaukee and.
You keep saying this. Okay. We don't deal with any police. We just deal with sheriffs here, which is why she was unable to find anything in our system. So I'm going to transfer you to municipal, who deals with police, and they can be able to better assist you.
Okay, and your name is not important. Wow, this is stupid. This is really stupid. They're not gonna. I'll give them the message. This is. Oh, and they hang up on me.
Reached the West Milwaukee Municipal Court. Through February 28th, this court will have limited hours and by appointment only. Please contact the court, leave a message, and one of our clerks will get back to you as soon as possible. All payments can be made at the West Milwaukee Police Department, 4755 West Beloit Road. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Travis Hines, and I was transferred to you earlier, not just 15 minutes ago. I'm calling with another question, but I'll just state that the circuit court clerks claim that they only deal with sheriff department arrests and not village arrests, so they can't answer any of my questions. Only sheriff department issues. So there seems to be a disconnect between the village and the circuit court for some reason. My number is 616-320-0962. I'm also calling to ask about the CD delivery to the city address in Texas that I've provided. I'm calling about asking the status of that. So if you can get back with me either. Hello? I think he hung up on me. It just stopped. So I just want to make a note that the West Milwaukee clerk might be more likely to answer your call if you call the circuit court and have them transfer you to them. They might be more likely to answer your call.
This is West Milwaukee Municipal Court. Try contacting Milwaukee County Clerk of Court. Appeals Processing, 821 West State Street, room 117. I don't have a phone number. That's where we send everything, the entire Milwaukee County, all the municipal courts. That's where all the appeals go, and that's what you're on. So I don't know what's transpired, but you could try that. That's the only information I have. And not your CD, but your thumb drive is on its way. It was sent out, or it is being sent out sometime today, whenever the mail comes. Thank you, and I'll be in and out of the office trying to get caught up. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, this is the client accounts of the Public Defender's Office. We received a voicemail from you, looks like last evening, about 7 p.m. From what I could understand of the email, you are not currently using our services, so the account department is not who you want to contact. If you're looking to find out what it would cost for you to have a public defender, you would need to contact the local public defender's office for your county. I am not 100% sure what that is because of the information that you gave isn't very clear about that. However, if it was for Eau Claire, you're going to want to call the Eau Claire office at 715-502-1490. Again, if this is for an Eau Claire County case, you would want to call the local office of the public defender in Eau Claire at 715-502-1490. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Travis Hines. Before we proceed, may I ask who I'm speaking with?
Hi, sir. This is Ashley. I think I spoke with you earlier.
Yeah, okay. I need to call the Milwaukee County, not the circuit court, the
municipal?
No, the Milwaukee County, like, District Court of Appeals. Is that?
I'm not familiar with that. What kind of appeal is this?
It's
criminal related?
the address is located at 821 West State Street, room 117, Milwaukee.
Okay, let me see if I can get you in contact with someone in appeals. Let me just see who is available.
It's in the criminal division, located 821 West State.
I'm familiar. Yes, I'm familiar with what that is. I just have to see if someone is available for you to speak with, okay?
Okay. Well, let's see if public defenders answer.
Public defenders, how may I help you?
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. I received this voicemail message from your client accounts department, and I'd like it to read it to you first for clarity. She says, Hi, this is the client accounts for the Public Defender's Office. We received a voicemail from you, looks like last evening from 7 p.m. From what I could understand, the email you are not currently using our services, so the accounts department is not who you want to contact. If you're looking to find out what it would cost for you to have a public defender, you would need to contact the local public defender's office for your county. I'm not 100% sure what that is because the information you gave isn't very clear about that. However, if it was for Eau Claire, you're going to want to call the Eau Claire office.
Okay.
So I have a case in Milwaukee County, not Eau Claire, and I'm trying to understand why I'm getting sent around like this. Can you help me figure out what's going on here? Is there guidance you can provide, or am I...
There is a limited possibility of guidance because we are jurisdictionally restricted to only seeing the counties that our own offices are able to represent.
Yeah.
What you mentioned going around, it sounds like you have spoken to multiple offices then?
Just one. I left a message with some phone number, and they call themselves the client accounts of the Public Defender's Office. So is that familiar?
That would be our centralized billing department. They handle billing for everyone.
Are they?
So if she says she can't see a case in the system that you owe money on or are being represented on, she's directing you to call your local public defenders. I don't know why she guessed Eau Claire. Maybe the message didn't come through clearly on the phone to her. But
Okay.
you're currently being represented on a Milwaukee case?
Is it okay? Well, no, I'm looking into it. I just got through municipal, and now I'm appealing. Do you know where the client accounts office is located? Is it like Madison?
Yes.
Okay, so she directed me to you just on a guess, and yeah, there's nothing else you could do, actually. I guess you answered it.
Okay, well, I'm glad I answered it anyway.
Okay, all right, have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Take care.
Oop.
Clerk of Circuit Court.
I know it's 6. I already know it's 6. And they're probably on lunch. Well, that's just great. They're working till 4:30. Allison, okay. I'm just gonna type in that name. Allison, okay. Alright, the afternoon is not looking so good for a response from the clerks. It's 1:30 p.m. roughly. The clerks.
Criminal Justice Division, how can I help you?
Hi, my name is Travis Hines. Before we proceed, may I ask who I'm speaking with? Is it Allison? Ooh. I think she knows what to do.
Okay, how can I help you?
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. Before we proceed, may I ask who I am speaking with?
Allison?
Allison, okay. I called earlier and was directed to the criminal division, which is located at 821 West State Street, room 117. But I was told, well, you said that they may not answer, and I assume lunchtime possibly. So I've waited, and possibly if that's the case, it wasn't said that it was lunch, but I'm thinking maybe that was the reason. So I'm trying again.
What do you...
Oh, here we go. Okay. I'm seeking assistance with filing a petition for waiver of fees related to an appeal I'm making from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court. I aim to request a new trial with a jury, but cannot afford the associated appeal and jury fees. Could you guide me through the steps to submit this petition through your office?
So I heard municipal court. We're not municipal court.
Okay. Let's see. Let me, I've already spoken with Richard Fonz, the court manager for the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court, and he stated that he can't help me with this specific issue.
But it's municipal.
Okay.
We're not municipal.
I had a trial on March 4th, and now it's past that.
I can transfer
The West Milwaukee Municipal Court?
No, this is Milwaukee Municipal Court I can transfer you to.
Okay, well, I wasn't arrested in Milwaukee. It was West Milwaukee.
I understand that, but we can't help you. We're not municipal.
Okay.
Like, we're
When you
a
appeal,
county.
so you're saying that if I appeal a municipal case, it goes to another municipality?
I mean, like, I can't help you with anything because you said you had a municipal court case number. I can't look that up.
Nope,
But like
no.
I said, I can transfer you over to the municipal court.
And that's just regular Milwaukee municipal court?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're transferring me a case that's in West Milwaukee. You know that there's a difference between West Milwaukee and regular Milwaukee?
I understand that, but you're calling, like, the Milwaukee clerk of courts,
Circuit.
and I can't help you? Yeah, I can't help you.
Okay,
It's a municipal case.
okay, this
So
is...
just let me, I can just
Do you-
send you
do you
over to the
may-
municipal court and you can speak to them.
Okay, you're doing this with the understanding that a retrial is allowed by law. I went through the municipal trial, but I can now choose to have another trial and erase the municipal trial would not even be considered a factor. I have 20 days to appeal, but it's really just start the case fresh with the municipal, with the circuit court.
I understand that.
Okay.
But you're not in our system.
Nope. Yeah.
The municipal court case.
So I want, yeah, and I mean, they're going to send over the paperwork that says that I want to have a jury trial, okay, but I don't give them the money. The money goes to the circuit court. I don't pay the municipal court any money. I only tell them that I'm asking for a retrial. They have to know that. That has to be communicated to them and also communicated to the circuit court as well. But no payments are made to the municipal court for a retrial. Okay, so I need to get that scheduled, and it's supposed to happen about the same time. When I let the municipal court know that I'm choosing a retrial, I also have to pay the circuit court at about the same time. And it's what, $150 or something?
Something like that, yeah.
So, I mean, there's a 20 days. It's been about 18 days. I have 18 days left, and I'm trying to go through the process in a sequential manner. So proper chronological manner, and it requires communication. And it doesn't sound like you guys do anything with that.
Hey, let me place you on a brief hold.
Okay.
Municipal Court. At this time,
Listen.
the court is making preparations for pre-registered scheduled appearances only. Unscheduled or walk-in appearances remain
She has
suspended until
no
further.
idea.
For your convenience, the lobby is open weekdays except holidays from 8 a.m. through 4:30 p.m. for you to make an in-person payment, apply for an installment plan, make a records request, file a form, or to obtain general case information.
She has.
For information regarding the court's mailing address, email address, website, and fax number, press 1. If you are calling to make a payment or to obtain information about a payment, installment plan, tax, refund interception, or payment extension, press 2. If you are calling about any circuit court case including jury duty, eviction, maternity, small claims, felony, misdemeanor, criminal traffic, For traffic cases issued by the Sheriff's Department, press 3.
We'll try 3.
Please note that the City of Milwaukee Municipal Court staff does not have access to records for circuit court cases and, as such, are unable to assist you. To obtain case information for jury duty, eviction, paternity, small claims, felony, misdemeanor, criminal traffic cases issued by the Sheriff's Department, or any other circuit court case, then please visit the Milwaukee County Circuit Court website at county.milwaukee.gov/en/court. Again, that is EOUNTY.MILWAUKEE.gov/en/COURTS, or call them at 414-278-5362. Again, their number is 414-278-5362. Please note that when you call the circuit court and select option 5, you will be redirected back to this phone number, which is the City of Milwaukee Municipal Court. Again, our staff does not have access to circuit court case information and cannot assist you.
Oh, she hung up on me.
Please listen closely to the following options. For information on obtaining marriage licenses or passports, press 1 to be connected with the county clerk. For information on obtaining birth certificates, death certificates, criminal and traffic, how may I help you?
Okay, is this Ashley?
Excuse me?
Okay, let me introduce myself again. I have introduction here. Hello, my name is Travis Hines. Before we proceed, may I ask who I am speaking with?
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. Before we proceed, may I ask who I am speaking with?
Willinda.
Willinda, okay. Thank you, Willinda. I am seeking assistance with filing a petition for waiver of fees related to an appeal I'm making from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court. I aim to request a new trial with a jury, but cannot afford the associated appeal and jury fees. Could you guide me through the steps to submit this petition through your office?
For you, for West Milwaukee, I'm not sure, but you will have to come down to the safety building to do that.
Okay.
We don't do that over the phone, so you can come down to room 117, window 1 or window 2.
Okay, because there's...
But you will pay the $36 for the jury fee.
Yep.
But you can talk to our supervisor to see if you can waive that or not.
Yeah, I got a step 2, fees or petition for waiver. Let's see, if you cannot afford these fees, you must file a petition for waiver of fees or an affidavit of indigency directly with the circuit court clerk, not with the municipal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's room 117 at the safety building.
Okay.
Window 1 or window 2.
And it says contact circuit clerk to request indigency waiver, and I'm given a phone number, but you're saying the 414-278-4120. That's no good?
Yes, it's still a good number. That's over in civil.
Okay. And, alright, that's different.
Did you call them?
I can. I mean, because
Okay, but you can just come down to the safety building because you have to do that in person.
Okay. Well, I'm in Texas. I'm in Texas.
Oh.
So that's why I'm calling. Yeah, if I was...
So you probably have to write a letter.
Okay.
Yeah,
like-
and you can mail it here.
Okay, I got 20 days, so it would take some time. But I'm in short. That's the pay, right? Because I can only pay through the mail. Is that?
Mm-hmm.
Is there?
Right.
Okay. You don't? Do you have any experience with the? What's that?
We have a pay fine website, but I'm not sure as for tickets and things. I'm not sure if you can pay for a jury trial or anything through there.
Because it's $148 appeal fee and a $36 jury fee.
Jury fee, correct.
Yep.
Yep.
But I'm interested in the petition for waiver of fees. And is there no link on the website to get the petition for waiver of fees?
You can go on Wisconsin Circuit Court website and go into the forms and see if the forms are in there.
Okay, I should. I haven't.
There's a form for it.
Okay, I haven't done that, so yeah.
Okay, yep. You can go on there on the Circuit Court website into forms and search to see if there's a form in there for you.
Okay. All right, and then I can email that, or.
Do you have the email number?
More.
Right. Yes. Maybe they could tell you more about it.
Okay. Yeah.
And that's the 4120 278-4120.
Okay, I'll call them. All right.
Okay.
I'll see what they say. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
If you have any more questions, just give me a call back.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Let me call that quick. 414-278-4120. Oh, and I better. Okay, I got ChatGPT. I got my script.
Thank you for calling the Milwaukee County Clerk of Court's e-filing helpline. E-filing is the electronic filing of court documents. The options on this line relate only to e-filing. If you have other questions for the Milwaukee County Clerk of Court, please press 0. If you have a technical question about the e-filing system, such as how to set up an e-filing account, how to set up or use a payment account, difficulty uploading documents, how to navigate the e-filing system, or what to do about an error message, press 1 to be directed to the CCAP call center.
Okay, CCAP. Wisconsin CCAP, Criminal Courts Access Page.
You have reached the Wisconsin e-file help desk. Calls may be recorded for quality assurance purposes. Please hold, and a help desk representative will be with you shortly. If you'd like to request a callback, dial 2.
Oh, it might be a long wait.
Hi, support. This is Dan. Am I helping?
Hello, my name is Travis Hines. Before we proceed, may I ask who I'm speaking with? You said Dan?
Yes.
Okay, I'm seeking assistance with filing a petition for waiver of fees related to an appeal I'm making from the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court. I aim to request a new trial with a jury, but cannot afford the associated appeal and jury fees. Could you guide me through the steps to submit this petition through your office?
Yeah, absolutely, Travis. I can certainly guide you through submitting it. I just have a quick question. You mentioned municipal court. Is that accurate?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the circuit court e-filing line, which is above municipal. That would be county.
Yes.
If it's a Milwaukee County case, I can certainly walk you through it on our site. But if it's a municipal court case, then you would actually have to work with the municipal e-file.
Well, I was found guilty on March 4th. Can you hear me?
Okay. Right, I can hear you. I'm just making sure here. But was it a municipal case or a circuit court case?
Municipal?
So again, if it was municipal, that would be on a different site that we don't support.
Okay.
For the circuit court.
All right. Well, here's the steps. Here's the steps for appeal. Now, this is step 1 for new jury trial. It's time sensitive. Let's see. I must file a notice of appeal with the Village of West Milwaukee Municipal Court within 20 days. I mean, I could do that. And then step 2, fees or petition for waiver. All right, if I cannot afford these fees, you must file a petition for waiver of fees directly with the circuit court clerk, not with the municipal court. And then I contacted the phone number for the circuit court clerk to request indigency waiver, 414-278-4120. That's the Milwaukee County Circuit Court. And then the municipal courts will notify the circuit court of my appeal once my notice of appeal is filed. I do not have to send a separate notice of appeal to the circuit court myself. Preparing for circuit courts. Once your appeal moves forward, you must bring all evidence and witnesses. I have 20 days. But it said earlier in step 2 that all payments go directly to the circuit court, not municipal court. So yes, the municipal court does accept on step 1 the notice of appeal, and then they'll send that to circuit court. But the municipal court doesn't take any money. It doesn't deal with the money. You know, that fine that I have with them, I'll be entering a new jurisdiction with the circuit court. So I would be out of the municipal court jurisdiction once I enter the circuit court and be in the circuit court jurisdiction, and that has its own filing fees.
Okay. In that case, I believe I'm following along now. In that case, once you enter circuit court is when you can submit this petition. Just because there's really I don't know where you would file it if the case is not created yet at the circuit level. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So you might be a little bit ahead of the process at the moment.
Yeah, I have to make notice with the municipal court, but I mean, I don't know how the 20 days work exactly. It's not clear yet. 20 days to give notice to the municipal court, but I mean, what if there's no payment? Then is that 100% notification without the payment?
So it sounds to me like if you do submit this notice, it will go to circuit court, and then once it's at the circuit court level, if it's processed, that's when you can make the payment.
Probably, yeah. You
again,
think?
I'm not familiar with this process myself. I have not heard about this before. It does, from what you're relaying back to me, I am following along, and it does make sense. But as far as making a payment, you're not going to be able to do one without the case. So
Okay, so I should be, if I
you're a little ahead
for you to fully
process.
Okay, I'm premature. For you to fully help me, what information would you need from me?
I would need a case number.
Okay, and the only way to do that is to do the to notify the okay, so the payment step comes later. It's afterward. Okay. Yeah.
I think.
Okay. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what else I could force here. There's nothing I can force, right?
Yeah, unfortunately, our court system is slow, and I'm sorry about that. But
your what thing is low? What is low?
Our court system moves a little slow.
Oh.
And I'm sorry about that.
Okay. Yeah, I don't mean to hold you up any longer. I think, yeah, I understand where we're at. So, okay.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Yeah, absolutely, Trevor.
All right, bye.
Good luck, and you have a good rest of your day.
Okay, yep, you too, bye. Oh.